Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to talk about digital sales platforms for creators, and specifically, we are comparing two popular options, which are Stand Store and Gumroad. If you are creating ebooks, courses, templates, music, or any kind of digital product, you need a platform to sell it, but with so many choices out there, it can get pretty confusing to pick the right one for you. So in this video, we are going to break down the key features, pricing, and overall pros and cons of both Stand Store and Gumroad to help you figure out which one might be the better fit. Starting off with pricing, Stand Store offers two main plans, which are the Creator Plan at $39 a month and the Creator Pro Plan at $99 a month. The big advantage here is that Stand Store does not take any transaction fees from your sales. You keep what you earn. Gumroad, on the other hand, is free to set up and use, but they take a 10% cut from every sale you make. So while it sounds cheaper at first, you do end up losing a piece of every transaction over time. Now, looking at the key features, Stand Store focuses on giving you all the tools you need to run a successful online store. You get access to things like coupons, email marketing, built-in analytics, and even the ability to sell memberships and subscriptions. Everything is designed to help you maximize your revenue and build your brand. Gumroad is more known for its simplicity. It is very easy to set up and start selling quickly, but it lacks some of the deeper features and customizations that Stand Store offers. When it comes to who these platforms are best for Stan, Store seems better suited for creators who already have a following and want more control over the branding and customer experience. You can fully customize your storefront and really make it your own. Gumroad might be a better fit for beginners or for people who are just dipping their toes into selling digital products. It is easy to use and a great way to get started without spending anything upfront. To sum it up, Stand Store is a stronger choice if you are serious about scaling your digital business and want powerful tools without losing money to transaction fees. But it does come with a monthly subscription and might feel a little overwhelming for someone brand new to selling. Online Gumroad is awesome if you want to keep it simple and free, but you will be paying that 10% cut from each sale, and you will have less control over how your store looks and operates. At the end of the day, there is no clear winner. It really comes down to your needs and your budget. If you are just starting out with a small audience and you want a no-cost, easy setup, Gumroad could work well for you if you have an established audience, or you are ready to build a serious brand with no sales fees and more control over your business. Stand Store is definitely the better choice if you're ready to start your own Stand Store and take the first step towards building your online business. You can sign up using the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.